third time's the charm.
Oh, I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work.
Welcome to Ellen and Nolan's Fun Zone.
Welcome to Ellen and Nolan's Fun Zone. We just want to thank you that you gave us 100 subscribers. To celebrate that, we're gonna launch a rocket that can go
175.
175 feet in the air.
All right, show me your.
Thank you for subscribing.
Yes, thank
we
you.
want to celebrate you, and to do it, we're gonna launch it that high. It's higher than our school.
Oh my goodness. Show me the pictures of the rocket that you made. Okay, there's your 100 subscribers.
And it's higher than you. Dare me to open this door?
I dare you. Triple dog dare you. Oh my goodness. It's a rainbow rocket. Let me see yours, Nolan.
Did you know this rocket can go higher than a wall, a skyscraper?
Oh my goodness. Let me see.
It actually can, Daddy.
It depends on the skyscraper, I guess. Whoa!
Here's my rainbow rocket.
Rainbow rocket, and what's yours, Nolan? Oh man, it's got cool flames. You got the 175, 175 feet.
Don't say my art. I do down here.
That's awesome art.
You can barely see it since I used a dark marker though.
That's so good. Got it all set up. Here we go. All right, it says to hold it for 2 seconds to go 100 feet or 4 seconds to go 175. So we're gonna do 2 first. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Oh my goodness! Whoa! Look at that, it's got a parachute. Oh my goodness!
Now let's watch it go 175 feet.
Yeah, that was cool. Oh, gentle. All right.
I told you it's a rainbow rocket.
Yeah, we didn't know. That's so cool. It's got a rainbow parachute.
I kind of. Yeah,
You knew?
I did know.
Oh, cool. All right, now we're gonna launch it even higher. Go even higher?
Yeah. I was going to go 175 feet.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Pointing at you.
At me? Okay, step back.
Oh, step back.
1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa! It's going even higher. You can barely see it. Whoa!
That was so high. That was higher than before.
Nolan's so fast. Look at him.
Again.
Again.
This time I will press the button.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
You want to turn 2?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Yeah, we're doing good at taking turns. Woo! The instructions wrong. It's actually if you push the button twice, it's going to go 175 feet. So now Ella's going to do that, and we're going to try it. Okay. Whoa! Oh my goodness, that's so high. I can't even hardly see it. Where'd it go? Whoa! Check that out. That was so cool. Wow.
And it even has its own crash landing.
Yeah. Now it's Nolan's turn. Whoa. That's so high. I think so too. Wow. Ella's gonna turn it on and Nolan's gonna push the button twice.
Okay.
Turn it on, Ella.
Don't push the button.
Goodness. Whoa. The parachute deploys. It comes back to Earth. Whoa. What happened?
At least it got in the air. It got stuck in the net.
It got stuck in the net. Oh no, we're gonna get it out. Oh, yeah.
The third
Oh, I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. Where'd it go? Oh my goodness.
I'm getting it this time. That was super high. It was disrespect. Now. That was disrespect.
Whoa.
I turn to press the button.
All right.
And this time, you hold it. You hold it. You hold it.
Good job, Ella.
This time, you.
Woo! Where'd it go? Whoa, there it is. Wow.
It's my hands.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Now it's Daddy's turn to launch.
And I just had a cupcake.
A cupcake? What?
She did not have a cupcake.
Okay.
Yes, I did.
Step back. T-minus 3, 2, 1. Come on, baby, launch. All right. Oh my goodness, it's taking off that way. Where's it going? Now it's going that way. Whoa. Hey. All right.
It's Owen, Nolan, Daddy video. Actually, it's not. Yeah, Daddy. What are we?
Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa. Oh my goodness.
What is that?
Daddy was trying to catch it, everyone.
Woo! Okay, I want to get your hand out of there, please. Let's see what Daddy did. Hey, Daddy.
Yeah, we're trying to catch it. Yeah, we're trying to catch it.
You
We
got
got it. Woo!
my turn.
Nolan's turn to push the button. Okay. There we go. It's on. Careful, careful. I thought it was on. Here we go. Hang on. Oh. It was off. Daddy's cray cray. Now try. Uh-oh, I don't know if it's gonna make it. We'll see, we'll see. Come on, come on. Woo! Whoa!
Okay, we'll make Cume. I think I should Cume. Ella, I want Cume.
You want a cube?
Yeah, I want Cume.
You mean film? Yeah, you got the film already.
Oh,
Yeah!
no, we're gonna cut it.
Rabbit.
Wow. We're done launching rockets and Nolan's riding a frog.
Okay.
And Ella's riding a sea lion. Oh my goodness.
Let's go on, please. Can I Cume?
Film?
Camera.
Are you calling it cuming? Cume, huh?
Yeah, can I Cume?
It's called filming.
Oh.
Even though there's really no film anymore. Or videoing. How about that? Can you video?
I'm calling it Cume.
Cume? Okay.
Give me the tootie.
Okay.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know. Are you gonna go?
Ah!
I'm going to see a lion.
You gonna play on the playground?
Of course not.
Okay.
Yes, I'm seeing
Go,
that.
go take them on a tour of the playground.
Yeah, it's Squeeze Poopy Playground. Whoa! Yeah, I know how to do the monkey bars, but in order from the setting, you get up here and go there. This is hot. How is this not hot? When I touched it, it was not hot. Believe me, it wasn't. Whoa, whoa! Is this? Oh, okay. I wouldn't want to do that. I know I said I can't do it, but it's hot. Do you hear that? We don't want to get that in the video. Yeah? Oh, you mean like this? Oh, my poopy doopy. My poopy doopy. Oh, yeah, there's that way, actually. Me too, because I'm puking, I said I could do it, but not when I'm puking.
There you go. I got you.
Okay, let's not from that in. Yeah, I'll show you guys instead of that, normal wire. But this is not what normal. Yeah, can you just...
Are you gonna film?
Yeah.
How can you film and do monkey bars? I don't understand this.
I'm just gonna carry it across.
Whoa. Okay.
More monkey bars. You're doing the monkey bars again, Daddy.
No, Daddy can't do them.
This one time again, please.
That's okay.
Daddy, we're trapped.
You're trapped? Okay, stop filming.
Okay. Why?
We can't get to the other side.
Why do you want me to stop?
Well, so I can help y'all.
What do you mean?
You gotta cut all this out.
What do you
went first, since I went first.
Okay. Woo! Virtual monkey bars. Okay. I don't know that that's any fun to watch.
This is a boring slide.
Oh, film what it looks like to go down the slide.
I just got up here. Are you serious? I'll go down. Yes, it's boring slide. Very boring slide. But this, not that. This is a fun slide. We'll check out that later.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.